Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing very well on the last days of December. Hardly there are one day left actually for December to end. I'm so happy that 2020 is finishing off and we'll be entering into the new year 2021. So we are on the last day of December. And today I wore a nice full sleeve t-shirt. I bought this from Kohl's. It was only for $2. I had a nice coupon and it is full sleeves and it is so soft cloth and I really love it. I can sleep. It's keeping me so cozy and I just can do anything with this, and in the whole house I was just wearing it and having a good cozy time. I was editing some of the videos. I was just getting busy. I could do everything with this good dress. It's so soft and I love the print of it. Just see the print, friends. It's very nice. And again, I've worn two layers. I have one more dress down and I've worn this full sleeves. It's so cozy and I always keep my heater on. So I'm just having a nice time and waiting for 2021 to come and ring in the new year. It's been so hard in 2020, but hope we all should pray and say God to give us better days and we can travel anywhere in the world. So, and I also wish if I could go to India for a vacation, meet my parents and my family, but it's okay. Everybody had to go through this and everything is okay. So friends, today I'll be sharing a very good recipe. It is known as khichdi and it is green bean recipe. You mix half cup of green moong and rice and make a very good recipe. This recipe is used when people are falling sick or they don't have mood to cook, and it is no oil recipe. You don't need tomatoes, onions, nothing for it, and just boil it and put some vegetables, put some spices and you're done. So it's so easy. Let's go into my kitchen. Then I just was trying to fill the jar with the wheat flour and I spilled half of it. Oh no. Oh no. Then I just was trying to fill the jar with the wheat flour and I spilled half of it. Oh no. Oh no. Then I just was trying to fill the jar with the wheat flour and I spilled half of it. Oh no. Oh no. So here I'm taking 1 cup of green moong dal. These are green lentils also they are called. So 1 cup of these. So here I'm taking 1 cup of rice also. So I've blended both of them together and they look like this. And it's a very healthy lentil soup, or you can eat it as a soup actually. Either you can eat it like a soup or you can make it a little thick, but I'm going to make it like a soup and watery. Wash it 3 or 4 times. So here I'm adding some cumin seeds, some macedonia. It looks very good with this lentils. Some turmeric, a pinch of turmeric. So here I'm going to make it as a soup actually. So I'm going to add lots of water, but you can add how much ever you want. But I want to make it just like a soup. So I'll add like 5 cups of water. So I've already added 4. So we need to add 1 spoon of salt, 1 teaspoon actually. Here I'm adding 1 spoon of chili powder. Here I'm adding little peas and carrots also because we like it in the soup. You can do eyeballing and you can add whatever veggies you like. So here I've stirred everything up and it looks good, and I added 5 cups of water and we'll pressure cook it for 10 minutes. Here I've kept it on. Now I'll do pressure cook. It says 15 minutes, but we'll do it only for 10 minutes because it cooks very quickly. So here's the lentils which came out, and if you want more liquidy you can add some warm water. But my kiddos are now saying they want it like this, so I'm not adding more liquid into it. But I'll add some nice buttermilk on here and we'll have it with buttermilk. So now I'm going to add some yogurt for the kids, and it is buttermilk. So it's so good on hot food. Nice buttermilk. Here, have the first bite. This came out so tasty. The whole drop of it got licked. I cleaned it with my hands and I licked it. It was so yummy. So friends, it was so yummy. I finished the whole pan out of it. Everybody just loved and ate well, and they said, wow, this is zero calorie recipe. It only had a little rice which was little unhealthy, but everything else was so healthy. You can add more veggies, more spices if you want. You can add some tomatoes, lemon, and but we took it with buttermilk, and it was still so yummy, and we all enjoyed. So if you have liked this recipe, like it, share it, and comment and subscribe. Bye.